In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email in Time Doctor. We all know how important it is to keep our account information up to date, whether it's due to changing job roles, organizing your digital life, or simply making sure you're using the most current contact information. Let's walk through these steps together. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. Whether you use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge, it doesn't matter. Just open up whichever one you feel most comfortable with. Once your browser is up and running, head to your search bar and type in Time Doctor. What you're looking for is the official website. Once the search results appear, go ahead and click on the first link you see. Often, this will be the one with the URL showing as timedoctor.com. Once you've reached the website's homepage, you'll need to log in to your account. If you're already logged in, you can skip this step. Otherwise, look for the Login button, enter your credentials, and access your account. Now that you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You should notice your username displayed there. Click on your username to bring up a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to navigate to the option labeled My Account. Click on it, and that will take you into your account settings. You will find yourself on the Profile tab, which is typically the default. Within your profile, there is an email field. This is where you'll be updating your contact information. Go ahead and enter your new email address here. Take a moment to double-check that everything is correct. Accuracy is key here because this is the email that Time Doctor will use to communicate with you. Once you're satisfied that the new email address is accurate, look for a button that says Save. Click this button to confirm and apply the change. You might see a notification or confirmation pop up, indicating that your email address has been successfully updated. And that's it. Your Time Doctor account now has your updated email address. Remember, keeping these details current helps ensure that all your communications and notifications from Time Doctor reach you without delay. Thank you for following along with this process, and make sure to keep your account information secure and up to date in the future. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out to Time Doctor support for help.